Hi, welcome to DL4JRA. Do you still remember about the image classification model tutorial where we used the multi-layer network nodes? In this video, we will go through with another way on making a model for image classification, which is using the pre-trained model nodes, which are SqueezeNet, VGG19, or VGG16. Okay. First, take the normal data iterator nodes for image classification. Similar config. One, two, three, four. Initialize the number of labels and done. Okay. Then you connect them. And then take the multi-layer start node. The difference for this process is that pre-trained model category under image classification, you can choose any of the models, either SqueezeNet, VGG16 or VGG19. SqueezeNet is the lightest model. VGG16 and VGG19 might require you to have a better computer with higher number of memory in order to run. So if you have an error in regards of the memory later on when you use VGG16 or VGG19, it is advisable that you revert back to choose SqueezeNet. Then grab the train node and validate node like usual. Connect it. And if you want to save the model, tag the export node as well. Change the number of epoch by clicking the train node. And if everything's done for you, click construct. Then you will have to wait a bit because it is much more complex than the multi-layer nodes, so it will take some time to run it. When the green button pops up and you see there's a statement of the network model has been saved, click done and you have your pre-trained model of your dataset. Okay, let's see. Yes, that's our model file. And that is all for image classification model using pre-trained model tutorial. Thank you.